Constructing a Louis XVI French Rococo Terrace chair. The construction of the chair is pretty straightforward, from building to painting to accenting it, so let's get started. Since the legs didn't fit, I chiseled a bit off the sides. If there's anything I've learned working with the Louis XVI furniture kits, it's you never know when modifications will be necessary. Now 3 layers of batting are put on the seats and the fabric. Paint from the kit is used on the chair. 3 coats are applied, followed by treasure gold as accent.
Can I try and put it in?
The cushion is glued to the seat. For an added bit of elegance, a cameo nail charm is glued onto the chair. This adorable sock monkey, now a part of the Dollhouse collection, was purchased on Etsy. A link to the seller will be in the description. If you prefer to make your own, a link to how to make one is also in the description. If you enjoyed this video and all the content presented on this channel, do consider subscribing and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.